Guys, logo is very important for your brand. It shows your brand look, and if you are running a YouTube channel, then logo is mandatory. So today we are going to see how to make a professional YouTube logo or any other logo in just 2 minutes. So let's start the video. Hey guys, this is Muneer and you're watching Tecky for you. Today I am going to tell you how to make a professional logo for your YouTube channel, whether it's a gaming channel or a sports channel or a cooking channel. Just go to Play Store or in iOS, go to App Store and download the Canva app. After downloading, just search logo in the search bar. You can make logo, photos, Instagram post, any other things you can post. You can make a YouTube thumbnail in this app. This is really superb app, and it's going to be very interesting app. And just search I have searched animated logo. This is video logo is there, so I am going to edit this and convert this into an image. So I like this logo, so I'm just editing King is back. Okay, and need to select this font, this text, and we can adjust the font size here at the bottom. 43.6 is there. Just click on that and drag the line to the left. See the font size 43.6 is there. I'm just moving the cursor to the left and it's 25, and now I am bringing to the correct position near the logo, and here whatever as it is we can leave or we can edit the text. So I am typing King is back, the legend. So that's it. Here is how to make a professional YouTube logo for your, this can be, keep it as for your YouTube channel or gaming YouTube channel. This is actually MP4. I'm just converting into I don't need MP4, JPG or MPNG format. Just saving. It's so easy. It's already there in many templates in Canva app, so it's ready. I'm showing how to make another. We already seen animated logo, and now I'm just typing logo, which is text for your beauty channel, for your restaurant, any other logo you can keep. See, I'm just selecting this. I really like this logo and going and just editing the text GRN to monster. So the font size is big. I'm just decreasing the font size and keeping here there, and is leaving as it is the gaming text. So it's look really professional and brand look monster gaming. So we can replace the text or replace the image with another image, and we can edit the color, the font, the size, everything. See how the blue, the purple, the red, whatever color we can choose, but as it is the default template, the green color is there. It's really nice looking to see. So I'm just showing how we can select, and I'm leaving as it is, as the template has been placed in this app. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like my video, and if you want this type of video, that is tutorial for how to make a YouTube logo or YouTube thumbnail or YouTube banner, just comment down your valuable suggestion and share it with your valuable friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the latest video as soon as I upload in YouTube. So bye bye, take care, see you and be safe.